The test kitchen in Indio, California. It is Chef AJ and
Kathy Fisher.
If you don't know Kathy, she is the author of the amazing SOS-free, beautifully photographed cookbook, Straight Up Food, with a blog by the same name. I'm here with two of my favorite girls, not only Kathy Fisher, all the way from Sonoma County, but Bailey. And I have to do a mommy now. Bailey finally passed her CGC, AKC, so she is official. So now whenever we go to the hospital or the schools where she's in a reading program, I can hand these out and the kids and the patients love them. So kids are going to be reading to her so that they can learn to read. To somebody that's very non-judgmental. Anybody watching, by the way, before we get going with the demonstration? Yay! Okay, cool. Right. So I have a big announcement. I did something silly. I used a product to promote a recipe that I had just made that wasn't even available yet, and I did not know that. So a few weeks ago, I did an 8 recipe thing called something like 8 easy recipes to make you thin, all based on these wonderful balsamic vinegars that I hope you'll try while you're visiting me by California Balsamic. And I didn't realize it wasn't available, but in 1 hour, it's going to be up on the website of our good friend Thomas Allen. And I used this garden dill, so I made a potato salad, and instead of having to cut up the dill and put mustard in, this is a mustard seed dill. And it's delicious. You can see it's delicious by the fact that it's almost gone. If you're uncertain that you want to try this one, then you can get a small bottle. And what I love about these, Kathy, is the small bottles go through TSA, no matter how many you have.
There you go.
They're 3 ounces, so they're really, really good. And he also gives 2 free samples, not this size, but the baby size, if you mention Chef AJ, with any size order. But you have to place some order, because people were saying, give me my 2 free samples, and they weren't ordering anything. What's really cool about these vinegars, guys, is they're not just flavors. He actually infuses them with the real herbs. So that's why they're really powerful. Now, these are not ready yet, but I want to show you to make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube or Facebook, or at least my mailing list, so you can see when I send this out. He does these other herb infusions. So he's got one that's cilantro herb. This is excellent. It's a prototype bottle. It'll have a real label, but you can see it's real herbs. It's not just flavorings. And then he's got a basil, which is excellent. You gotta shake these really well. But as they say in French, the pièce de résistance. I don't know when this is coming out, but he has to have it by September. He'll be in Vegas. He'll be in Vegas. She'll be selling her book and chatting y'all up. He is going to have this one. This curry is unbelievable. This is probably my favorite now. But we're not here to talk savory. We're here to talk sweet today. So I got an email from somebody named Trish, who follows the Ultimate Weight Loss Program, which is SOS-free, sugar, oil, salt-free, but also flour-free and alcohol-free. And she said that her daughter's birthday is coming up, and the daughter, she's trying not to give sugar to her kids, but could she make snow cones? They have like a syrup now that's like artificially sweetened, like stevia or one of those erythritol. And I said no, because the artificial sweeteners are actually worse for you than sugar. So I have a solution: snow cones made with none other than California balsamic vinegar. Now, I don't recommend using the dill mustard for your snow cone. Actually, somebody in our group used a savory one, Sweet Heat, and loved it, but this is to be something sweet. So these are half the calories of sugar. They're like 30 calories a tablespoon instead of 60, and all the sweetness comes from grapes. He does have one flavor, apple pie, which we're not using, that has maple syrup, but I want you to pick. Did you ever go to snow cone places in the day and they would have you to pick 1 to 4 flavors and they would color it? So take a look at what we have. We've got blueberry, peach, lemon, blackberry, fig, strawberry blonde. You're kind of strawberry blonde, come to think of it. Chocolate orange, pear, apricot, raspberry, and pomegranate. So I already know what I'm having. Peach is my absolute favorite. Peach or pear are my 2 favorites. And so we're going to make real, legitimate, top legit snow cones out of California balsamic vinegar. No sugar, no guilt. And I'm thinking for Trisha's kids' party, she could get all the small bottles, and then each kid could just pick what they want. And this will make more than 1 snow cone, but wouldn't it be fun if you were a kid? You just pick what you want. And so we have to shave the ice, though. So I went to all the trouble of buying this on Amazon, but was a gift from Heather Goodwin, thank you, who got me a housewarming gift of an Amazon gift card. So this was great. Remember Snoopy snow cone machines back in the day? So you pick your flavor. It comes with just 2 cups, so Charles is going to get have any, but you can buy snow cone cups at the store, reusable ones. Okay. So I've only tried this once, so I hope it works. They tell you to take the ice out a little bit in advance. For some reason, it works better, so a little shiny. And from what I remember, you just put it in. I think you put it in. Gosh, you put it in and then you turn it on. Well, I hope I know what I'm doing. All right, I'm just put it in. Tell you a funny story about a respiratory therapist that this reminded me. So it seems pretty easy to use. There you go. Look at that. Woo! Pretty easy, huh? I'm going to add some more ice. The fact that it was 116 today has absolutely nothing to do with me wanting a snow cone. And I used to love these when I was little. They were so fun. A little more ice. I'm going to do it one more time, guys. Bear with me because we've got 3 people here. We want to have enough snow cones for everything. And remember that old joke about the ice and the person that knew the recipe died when you were little? Like, there's an old joke about that. There we go. Funny. Turn it, Charles. I hope your manly hands can do this. What did I do? Help! Please don't have broken. That's okay because we have enough now to make this, and hopefully Charles will be able to see what I'm making. Anyway, you know, I think that Trish, if you have a lot of kids at the party, you probably should rent a professional machine. This is meant for, like, you know, family use. But isn't this cool? You put the little spoon in it. Shaved ice is the best. It really is. Look, it's like snow, you know? I think that's why they call it Hawaiian ice. It's so fun. Even if you didn't want to put balsamic vinegar on it, just have ice like this makes your drink amazing. What I like to do is kind of mound it like the real snow cones were back in the day, like that, you know? Put a little bit of rounding on it. And now we're going to make Kathy's first. Now you picked which 2 flavors?
How about these? Raspberry and pomegranate.
That's good because there's one light and one dark. Okay. So, again, how much you use is up to you. So I'm going to try to do the half. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. That looks amazing. So we'll do half dark. That's the pomegranate. And then we'll do half light with the, oh, look at that. You won't show up. But doesn't that look amazing? Look at this, guys. I'm going to let you try it. If you need more sauce, let me know. I'm going to go with peach. Or maybe I'll go peach blueberry. Yeah, so I'm going to do peach on half. You don't see the light ones as much, but the light ones are extra sweet.
Do we use a spoon? Or
you can use a spoon. I'm wearing lip gloss, so I might want to use a spoon. So I'm going to do peach. Lemon, amazing. I've done lemon before. I like doing one light and one dark. Ooh. Wow. Doesn't it taste good?
It's good and it's plenty sweet.
Oh, it doesn't. It's very sweet. Look at that. So are there any questions on snow cone making? Oh my God, it tastes so real. The peach is amazing. Oh my, it's really sweet. It's almost too sweet for us.
Very sweet.
It's incredible.
But if people didn't want it as sweet or they wanted it sweeter, they just add more or less.
Less.
See, when we were looking at
so
other products earlier, Mary said she was interested in these. How much are they? Other questions?
Oh, I'm reading now.
Dee says, I love your hat.
Oh, thank you. It was my Mother's Day present from Charles. I honestly do not remember the price of the little bottle and the big bottle. I can tell you that this size bottle, I believe, is $10. But if you place any order at California Balsamic, I don't know if Thomas is watching live, you pick 2 free samples of the small bottles. And so it's flat rate shipping, so it doesn't matter how little or how much you buy, it's the same price.
See, Valerie's watching.
Hi, Valerie.
And Ann says hello from Santa Rosa.
You know Ann?
Who?
Which Ann?
Ann Leach says hello from Santa Rosa.
You know her? You're from Santa Rosa. Kind of
Yes,
from Santa
Leslie
Rosa.
says hello from Ontario. Tracy is watching. I loved your hat.
It's almost too
Teresa's
sweet.
watching.
I have to add some ice. It's so sweet. So listen, if you want to try all the flavors of California Balsamic, come to the live Ultimate Weight Loss Conference. I'll give you a $100 discount code. It's Bailey, no capitals, no spaces, 100. And you'll get to see Kathy Fisher. You'll get to see Thomas, taste all the vinegars. So consider coming because it's going to be really great.
How do you spell Bailey?
Bailey. She's resting right now. She's been working really hard since she moved to the desert.
She just got her first order.
Did she like it?
California Balsamics. Got a little smiley face. So I think that's a
Did
yes.
she like it? So mine was too sweet. So you know what I did? Is I just added a little more rice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cynthia says hello from Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
Puerto Rico.
Oh, Colleen says hello. We just saw
Dunbar?
Colleen, yes. We just
Colleen,
saw-
there's a name of a street here, Dunbar, with your name. And there's a Swingle here, and there's a Dylan. All these people I know. There's no Kathy Street that I know of. So somebody
Tracy says hello from
just wanted you
Minnesota.
guys to know that these vinegars are thick and reduced. So just putting fruit juice on this, Charles tried this. We had some peach juice, like nectar, and all it did was dilute the ice. So it was still good, but it was like a slush. This keeps the ice like snow cone, like kind of crunchy, because these vinegars are very thick and reduced. And I don't think we put in more than, I would be surprised if we used more than 2 tablespoons, even that.
This is so much better than like a popsicle.
Jennifer Dyson is watching.
I'm
Adrian
getting a
says
snow
hi.
cone machine.
Victoria says hello from Minnesota.
Yeah. So if there's no further questions,
She needs the snow cone machine. Judy says hi from Michigan.
So
Liz
don't-
says hello from Philly.
don't forget, in 1 hour from now, the dill mustard seed dressing will be available on the California Balsamic website, and hopefully in a few months, all the other herby ones will be available. In the meantime, all the fruity flavors are available right now. So when it's 116 by you can make a delicious snow cone. Anything you want to say to people? How do they find out about you? Hold your beautiful book up.
My fingers are really long.
Look, I keep a towel right here.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that convenient?
That is.
It's fun when the 2 flavors got mixed together, the peach and the blueberry now, and it's really good.
Ooh.
People are asking about the snow cone machine.
Yeah, I'm getting one of those.
I just Googled best snow cone machine, and this is what it came up with, and it was $32 because I'm Prime. Thank you, Brother Goodman, for your generous Amazon gift card as my housewarming present.
Yay.
If you're not familiar with Straight Up Food, you might want to subscribe to Kathy's wonderful blog.
Straight Up Food on Amazon, straightupfood.com. I teach cooking classes at True North Health Center every Tuesday. And yeah.
Ann watching from Santa Rosa, is she still, in the day, people could pay like $10 and come to your class. Do they not allow that anymore?
I don't think they do because it got so
It got
busy
too busy.
at True North.
Wow.
Yeah. I think you might be able to pay. I don't think so. I think you can pay to come have lunch there. But as far as coming to the lectures, it's already so crowded in the classes. So I kind of understand. They've just gotten so popular.
Are you speaking at the Sonoma Veg Fest?
Yes, I'll be at Sonoma Veg Fest on August 3rd out at the Elizabeth Burbank Center for the Arts.
Yep.
And I'll be doing a cooking demonstration.
So you can see her there. And she'll be at the NHA conference with me at the end of June and at the Live Ultimate Weight Loss Conference August 30th, 31st, and September 1st.
We're busy.
I'm hoping that get us a shaved ice machine because Thomas will be there with all his vinegars and then we can have snow cones.
Your hotel at your event?
Yeah,
Oh,
wouldn't that be
would
cool?
great.
Last year we had a
People
carnival.
are saying they love Kathy's book, and Colleen says that she loves the oatmeal cookie. No, the oatmeal cookie recipe book.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So here's how you keep cool on a hot day without sugar. Sugar's not going to make you feel any cooler, I promise you. So SOS free, the only way to be. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Thomas, for creating such delicious, flavors so that we can once again enjoy snow cones.
Yay.
Bon appetit.